Good day, gentlemen and ladies. As you can see, I'm waxing my antique wood set. The only thing is get on that hardwood wood set, it's only beeswax. And once a year, about the end of the winter, that I wax completely all my chair and my table. Now I flip the table and I do the underneath and all the foot and the feet and everything. Why doing now? Because it's the end of the year, of the winter, and that's where the house is at the most driest. Right now it's starting to rain outside and the humidity level is at 32% of humidity, so the wood is kind of dry, so the wax will penetrate deeper inside the wood, so I have a better protection during the more humid month. I have an air conditioning unit inside the house, so that keep the humidity level at 50, around between 40 to 50% of humidity. And yes, on that, I continue that later on. I received a very nice letter from Dana Bowen. He's the Alaskan Life. Look at this outstanding letter. I mean, he's got the sticker here. Oh, it's 360 Alaskan Life, Dana Bowen. He even put a picture of me on my tractor. He's got all the address I removed. And look at those nice postal stamp. All right, and thank you very much. I'm gonna open it with my very nice knife. So I'm gonna open it right here. Let's put it like this. Wow, look at these nice stickers. Very, 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 very nice. I'm gonna read his very nice professional letter. I'm a very bad boy. I received it 2.5 weeks ago, and I'm sorry about that. So it dated the 23rd of February 22. Today we're at the 31st of March, by the way. David, a huge thank you to you, my friend. You have supported my channel from the beginning. Please enjoy the new stickers I have enclosed. Can't wait to see what travels you will have in store for us this summer. I have a lot. Thanks and stay warm. Yes. See you on the next one. Sincerely yours, 360 Alaskan Life, Dana Bowen and family. Both of them working on the airport. And for me, it's a close family. Everybody work on various airports. We all have ties together because it's a different way of life. It's all on schedule. So it's so thank you again, Dana, for this very nice letter. And I have a special spot for you. Just hold on, I'm gonna bring the camera closer. So about 14 years ago, I went to an exercise in Houston. Well, as a matter of fact, we were not in Houston. We were in Fort Worth for a major exercise there. It was during the summer of 2008. And it was hot pin-up weather like crazy. And of course, I went to, during the weekend, we went to Houston and I visited the NASA Center there. And I bring a couple of souvenirs, and I like that one because failure is not an option. Yes. So I'm just gonna put it carefully. The nice letter. I really like it. It's very nice, very beautiful. So I'm gonna put everything in here. Voila. So thank you again, Dana. And of course, I invite you to see all these fine channels, starting with Alaskan Life, 360 Alaskan Life. There's also Hillside Acre. Sorry, my English breaker. It's not quite click set up yet. All right. Of course, Dave at the Pale Horse Outdoor. There's also, just hold on, Grampie Workshop from Nova Scotia. There's also Luke, bonjour Luke, with the card. Oh yes, of course, Sébastien Labon with his famous cup. I mean, once a while when my morale is very low, kind of like, you know, we have one of those bad days once a while, I go see back that video, just see me laughing like my head gasket went off. It's really bring my morale out. Thank you, Sébastien. And of course, Luke, he's a very good channel and a very good sense of humor. I like that. And of course, Joseph and Lane in England. I really like their tractor chart, and especially on Wednesday they have a new. They publish 2 videos. One's on Saturday, the one's on Wednesday. Wednesday is more related with the machine shop, and I really like that. GP, of course. I received his keychain. I ordered also a t-shirt from him to encourage his daughter. And of course, Head live stream. You must go at least once just to see the good ambiance they have there. It's a good, really good live stream. It's a 1 hour. It goes like this, and in all this video, like great sense of humor. So all these folks are producing great, and I'm gonna put that on video description. All right. So thank you again, Dana. I'm sorry about my lateness. I'm a bad boy. I'm gonna put 30 push-up right after this video. I don't want to show you that because you're going to laugh. And all right, so let's go back at my table. And basically, the story about all the kitchen furniture is when I was in Germany, I was living about not even 10 minutes from the Belgium frontier line, and they had a market there. It was the, oh, I forget the name, I'm gonna put that in the video description. And every Saturday they had an antique market there, tavern, I'm gonna put it. And so that's where I bought it. These are made in Belgium, and they date back to 1940. I think it was no, not 1940s. It was 1920s. I had another furniture back in 1920s, 40s. Sorry. So once a year I wax them, and so you don't need to see me. It's basically what I do is I took a rag and I apply the wax, and then I took another, I wait about once I'm finished, and then I swept the excess and polish it like this by hand. It's a good hand exercise. That's why you see me in short, because I'm sweating. When I'm finished, it will take about me an hour to do everything. And I also do the in the back, but I don't do the inside, because the inside I keep it. I only wax it once, and that's what the antique merchant told me to do. And then I do the outside. That's it. All right. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna show you the end results. All right. Cheers. All right, gentlemen and ladies. So I did the 6 table chairs. The table itself. I did also my kitchen cabinet, and also this one. However, this kitchen cupboard has been varnished back in Europe. So I used the old rag full of wax to dust off and to put a nice coat on it. It's really bringing that furniture. However, on sunny day, you should see how beautiful that table is and all the furniture. One more furniture I need to show you. Just hold on. I'm gonna go that way. It's tough to see, but this is also a kitchen cabinet, and this furniture could be separate. So only the top and the bottom stay together, but all the panel, the door, the drawing are. Could be put apart. And this one I only waxed the surface. I didn't remove the TV or the sound system. But when I moved here last year, I did wax the top very well and everything right away, because I knew I ain't gonna remove it for the time I will be here. All right. Now for my nice leather set, what just by the way as info, I use linseed oil once every 2 years. I clean it with, there's many solution you can use, but I use, I think it's a little bit of alcohol, a little bit of linseed oil and vinegar. And I wash completely the set. I wait 24 hours, then I put double boil linseed oil. All right, and that keep the set outstandingly very soft. And yes, especially this one, it's a really good one for making good naps. So by the way, all right. Now the type of I'm using 100% natural beeswax, and it's named Bizzz, and you can see the website. It's made here in Canada. As a matter of fact, it is in this province. And I will have the address and everything, the website, on my video description. Right, and I have been using that kind since 2004 when I moved back here in Quebec. All right, now, so on that, thank you again, Alaskan Life, 360 Alaskan Life. Sorry about my pronunciation. And Dana, thank you kindly. I really appreciate that. And all those nice channel. All right, so on that, please take care of yourself. And yes, I can do other things than snow blowing. And right now outside it's still raining. As right now outside it's still raining, but it's going to be ice, freezing rain, then snow for the next 2 days. All right, so cheers.